Why you shouldn't let your child play Canon? Do they sound familiar? Canon is one of the most famous and popular piano songs, and parents always want their children to play these songs on the piano. If you want your child to learn Canon on piano, please watch this. I understand that because it's so good to hear your child play a song you are familiar with, you will feel so proud when your child can play this famous song on the piano. So as a teacher, I'm happy to see them play these songs well on the piano too. After a few months of piano lesson, you request the teacher to teach your child the Canon in C, and the teacher starts to work on the song with the student. But after a few lessons with the teacher, your child still can't play the whole Canon in C and get stuck on the first page. And you start to wonder why your child can't play the entire song on the piano. Even when they are able to play the whole song, it doesn't sound as nice as you expected it to be. And then you start to wonder, could it be that my child can't play the piano well? Or it is my child piano teacher can't teach well? And today, I will tell you the truth. Techniques, as well as your skill to read music, take time to build. Like the math subject in school, P1 student will study 1 plus 1 equals 2. It's only when they build a strong foundation and then they will start learning multiplies or fraction when they are in P3 or P4. So imagine a student who is not familiar with the plus and minus. How can she do well in multiplies or fraction? There's no foundation. So you can consider Canon in C as a P3 or P4 skill instead of beginner skill. When they start piano lesson, fresh beginner are like P1 student. You can't expect them to do the P4 math, right? Yes, they will still able to do it, but they will struggle and end up giving up or hating the subject when you push them too hard. Same as the piano. It's better for the student to study the level they can handle or slightly higher. This will boost their interest and confidence in playing piano, and it will keep them playing the piano. Learn songs that are suitable for their current standard. Because when students are able to play a song smoothly, they will feel proud of themselves. I've seen so many transfer students only play 3 or 4 exam pieces in a year. This is not what learning piano should look like. Please stop doing that. You can watch how I play the Canon. The link is somewhere around the videos. And I will show you some examples of my student players. They have built a foundation for a few years in order to play the song they like, and they are still learning now. So, conclusion. As a professional teacher, we don't focus on how to play a song in few seconds or few lessons. We focus more on musicianship. We start building up foundation like how to read note, count the rhythm, put on performance direction, create beautiful music, and etc. We teach step by step, not shortcut. Your child can't play the Canon in C well. Very high chance is because of the foundation are not strong enough yet, and they are playing by memory. Don't push your child to learn songs that are way high above their current standard. Don't rush. Build a strong foundation, and the road ahead will be more smooth. I'm Mr. Mong. Thanks for watching. I will upload more tips about piano learning. If you want to improve on piano learning, do consider subscribe to the channel. See you. Bye bye.